If you watched my previous video on connecting Radiomaster Pocket to FeelFpv simulator, you might have run into this exact issue. Throttle mapped as pitch mapped as rudder, stick just not doing what they should. I saw a bunch of you mention this in comments, so I made this video to fix it. Quick and easy, let's go. First of all, connect your Radiomaster Pocket to the simulator. And now we have some options right here. Click on control. Now if you can see, my throttle is working as yaw. And yaw is working as throttle. Pitch is working as roll. And roll is working as pitch. To fix it, click on auto bind button. It will bind automatically. First of all, I have selected for throttle. So push the throttle to maximum position. Similarly for yaw, click on auto bind and push the stick. Now you can see throttle is working as throttle and yaw is working as yaw. But we have to invert the throttle because it's working upside down. Now throttle and yaw is fixed. Now we are going to do this same thing with roll and pitch. Click on auto bind and push the roll. So similarly select auto bind button for pitch. Now move the stick for pitch. The pitch is working upside down. So we have to click on invert pitch. Now it's working correctly. Similarly, roll is also working wrong. So invert roll, and now you can see all sticks are now working perfectly. So that's it. That's the fix. Your sticks were never broken. They were just mapped wrong. And now you know where to check if it happens again. If this fixed your setup, drop a like and let me know in comments if you are using Radiomaster Pocket or something else. I read everyone. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.